Alright people, I could do with a bit of help. I bought this and it comes on, so I've tested it just to see if it comes on. But I can't seem to find the right adapter that fits it. So let me show you what I've got, and then if anybody knows what I should have, then if you'd let me know, that'd be a big help. Because I've had it for a couple of months now and I'm just not getting any use out of it, so I'll show you it. Yeah, this one doesn't go in, doesn't stay in. This one, I know this is a piece of junk. It just came with it, like, I don't know why it came with it, because that don't fit neither. Now, it fits this, because basically, like, it came with that, and then I bought a decent hose for it, like that. It's just connecting it to that. This fits in there. Okay, that fits in there. Do I need to take this off and change that? If so, that won't fit it, because it needs to have the screw threads on the, protruding, so that it screws into that. I just don't know. So yeah. So I've got them two fittings, and they don't fit it. And I'm new to all this, like air compressor. I thought I could do with one. It's easier for cleaning the rubbish off the engines, like so. Hang on. So if anybody knows what fitting I need, or if they know the adapter that I need, if they could let me know, that'd be a big help. And I'll send you one of my pens. Have I got one in here to show you? No, I've got one in the house. So yep, I'll leave it with you, and hopefully somebody will be able to help. Catch you in the next one.